Welcome to the video about the Italian tomato market. Italy is located in the south of Europe and is one of the largest tomato producers in the world. Italy has a long tradition in tomato production, which goes back to the first stage of the modern age, when first tomatoes were brought from Peru in the 16th century. But the rise of tomato production was not a quick one. The biggest expansion throughout Italy was in the end of the 19th century. Nowadays, every year, around 5.5 million tons of tomatoes are produced, from which 60% are exported and the rest is consumed within the country. Due to the fact that tomatoes are perishable, the existence of the single market provides ease of transportation, trade, and the unification of standards. Another EU impact is the Common Agriculture Policy, which financially supports the producers. The total budget available for direct payments in Italy for the period 2014 to 2020 amounts to more than 27 billion euros. The Italian authorities have decided to determine 11% of the direct payments envelope for voluntary coupled support. Italy also applies the Small Farmers Scheme, a flat-rate simplified system of support for the smallest beneficiaries, with a maximum annual payment of 1,250 euros per farmer. The Italian authorities are decreasing the amounts for the largest beneficiaries of direct payments. Within Europe, the most powerful producers and main competitors of Italy are Spain and the Netherlands. According to the Porter analysis, the bargaining power of suppliers is fairly low. This is due to the demanded quality standards and the possibility to buy seeds and other components necessary for production from many smaller and medium enterprises. On the other hand, buyers have a fairly high bargaining power and can be divided into two groups: well-known hypermarkets and distributors, and customers. In the case where products have a slight difference, consumers can easily switch with low costs. The entry barriers are quite high due to the necessity to have land, high entry capital, or legal requirements. Therefore, the threat of new entry is quite low. On the other hand, the threat of substitution is quite high due to alternative products or at-home production. Italy has been a significant tomato producer so far. Let's see how the future evolves.